How to find your YouTube channel ID. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your preferred browser and then go to studio.youtube.com. Then you will land in this interface. Now, go to the menu bar and then go to settings. After that, go to channel. Now, what you will have to do is simply find your profile information from the channel section. Go to advanced settings, scroll down, and then you should find an option of account. If you cannot find it over here, go to the menu bar again, and then right over here you should find something like account. If you cannot find it, go to your profile icon, and then here this is your profile ID or your channel ID. You can also find it by going to your channel, and right here is your channel ID. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.